How to turn off search suggestions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. Siri settings allow you to control how Siri works, from voice activation and response to accessibility features, enabling you to manage calls, set alarms, get directions, play music, and more, all through voice or text commands. You can customize Siri speed, language, and even enable Type to Siri for a silent interaction, and control whether it responds when your iPhone is locked. On this page, scroll down to the Suggestions section. Then, turn off the Suggest apps before searching feature. After that, turn off all the features in this section as well. Following these steps, you can easily turn off search suggestions on iPhone.